Wairoa. Kia ora, ko Maringi ahau.
Kia ora, ko Tamoe ahau.
And we are your friendly kaihono of Tāhia Te Marae ki te Wairoa. Over the next few months, we'll be rolling out some awesome kaupapa right here on your beautiful marae. These came about as a result of a survey that we put out to you all at the end of last year, asking some of your whakaro and thoughts on your hopes, your dreams, your aspirations for our people here of Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Rangi and Ngāti Pō.
In the survey last year, you told us that these kaupapa are the most important things to you. Tikanga and marae, health and well-being, education and housing, and the list goes on.
Okay whānau, so now how can you help us? Tamoe?
Well, you can come and see us at the marae office and fill in a hard copy enrolment form, or you can go on our marae Facebook page and you'll see digital copies of the form as well as the survey that we launched last year, just in case you missed out on filling it in.
That's it whānau, we have some awesome kaupapa coming up. Stay tuned, we'll be rolling those out over the next couple of weeks. We hope that you will be all able to either attend or still give your whakaro through to us. It's a new kaupapa, so we're still learning, we've still got our training wheels on, but we're ready and excited to steam ahead. So, from us both,
Choo choo!
ngā mihi kia koutou katoa.
Tau me ke taniwha!